So recording is already in progress. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our reading comprehension class for today. Time check, it's already 5:06 Indonesian time. So we have 15 participants, 15 learners today. So I hope other kids will be joining us later on. Again, recording is on progress. So allow TIS, allow teachers remain to record our session today. So just like what I am saying a while ago, before we will continue with our readings tonight, I will give first a very short writing test. So I am asking everybody to please prepare a notebook or a notebook, pen or pencil with you. In a few minutes, I will be sharing my screen so that we can already start with the test. Rihanna is already here. So I have, okay, still 15 of you tonight. I'll start to share my screen. Um, Nicholas,
Yes, miss.
can you please tell teacher how's my voice?
It's fine, miss.
How about, I turned off my video. How about the photos of your classmates? Are they logging in your end? Are they freezing?
No.
Okay, no. Thank you, Nicholas.
Hello, Miss.
Yes, hello. I'm very sorry. I hung out and I find it very hard to connect again in internet. Josephine,
Yes, Miss.
Josephine. On my screen, you are logged in as the host. Can I ask you to leave for a while and set the host?
What, Miss? You're lagging. Nothing.
On my screen, I can see that you are the host for tonight. You are the host. Can you leave the Zoom link? Then please have me as the host. Michelle. Okay, I am the host now.